Hi everyone, Sean here from Vape Underground. Today we're going to be taking a look at this little fella. It's the CT1 system from NextMind, which was kindly sent to us by Efun.top. Without further ado, let's dive down and have a look, see what this is all about. Right, here we are. Let's have a look what we've got in the box of the NextMind CT1. Nice touch, we've got the colour configuration on the box. These aren't stickers, that is actually the colour that's inside. On the back we've got warnings, package contents, product features, including detachable tank, power 10 watts to 17 watts, device size 94mm by 27 by 20, battery capacity 650 milliamp hours. And the coil resistances, there's two coils in here, one 1 ohm coil and one 1.2 ohm coil. So let's have a look. Inside we've got a quality control certificate. That's pre-printed, it's not even been stamped, so whether actually somebody's had a look at that I don't know. We've got our user manual, which is fairly self-explanatory. Tells you tells you all the parts, tells you how to fill the tank, and it tells you how to insert the coil and put the tank on and ready to go. Then we've got what they call a caution card, which again basically tells you things you shouldn't do. So don't overfill it, only fill up to this line here on the tank, insert the coil, put the tank on and vaporweight. It does say to take 5 to 10 draws without the power on to basically prime the coil. It is a ceramic coil, so it's not as if there's any cotton that needs to be saturated. And a couple of other little warnings about not touching the device when you've got the self-cleaning mechanism on. More about that later. Inside here we've got the mouthpiece drip tip tank, which has this screw off cap enabling you to take it about with you. If you had a spare one of these, you can fill it with a different flavoured liquid, pop that on, and it's pocket friendly, it's not going to leak anywhere. That's quite nice. There's the battery section, nice electric blue colour. There's your fire button. On the back just says NextMind, and there's where your coil will be inserted. As regards the coil, obviously there's a USB cable. With the coils, there is two. One has blue O-rings and one has red O-rings. There's nothing on these coils or the packaging to tell you which is which. So I did visit the website, and the coils, the images of the coils on their website suggest that the red is the 1 ohm coil and the blue is the 1.2 ohm coil. So just pop this red one out of here, which, like I say, should be 1 ohm. And what you do is screw that using O-rings out seated very well. Screw that into the battery section. Like so. There's your juice flow holes. Just move that out of the way. And then what you do, you take this cap off, place that to one side, take out this red plug, which is on a little cord so you can't lose it, fill up your juice to where it says to do, fill it up to where the logo is, so that's about there. So it's about halfway up this tank, sorry, they don't call it a pod, and you pop that back on, and then that into these these little hooks will connect into there, and it just snaps on, and you're good to go. 5 clicks turns it on. I haven't put any liquid in yet. I'll do that back up top, but 5 clicks turns it on, and you are good to go. Very nice little looking pod style device. Let's go back up top and see how she vapes. Right, so there we are, the CT1 from Next Mind. Convenient little kit. The fact that you only have to replace coils and not whole tanks is quite a plus. What we do, just screw a coil in, and with it turned off, pop our tank on. It tells you to do 5 to 10 draws with it turned off, which will be drawing liquid into the ceramic coil. Then turn it on, 5 clicks. Blue flashing light to say it's on. And we should be good to go. The flavour from this is very good. Obviously there's not big clouds, but there never is from pod systems really. You could even get away with it if restricted mouth to lung draw. There's a little bit of gurgling, a little bit of spitting, but other than that, like I said, the flavour is very good, and that I'm guessing is through the ceramic coils. What else is to say about it? I mean, it is just a pod system. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. One thing this does have, because the pods are removable and there's no coil in there, it is just a tank for holding your juice. There's a little cap that you put on. Now you can store that, put it in your pocket, whatever. And if you have a spare one, you can swap flavours. And this has a cleaning mechanism or a cleaning system. Basically, all you do is you press and hold the fire button, until it stops producing vapour, and the button flashes red when it's done. That way you can then turn it off, turn it off. Oh no, sorry, it's gone into its cleaning cycle again. It flashes red whilst it's doing it. When it's finished flashing red, it's done. We turn it off. We put our fresh flavour tank on, and without turning it back on, we do the 5 to 10 draws again to flood the coil with liquid. Then we turn it on, 5 clicks. It's easier to turn on than it is to turn off. It's not bad for clouds actually, but the flavour is very good. And that's about it. That's about all there is to it. It's a good little device. I think it looks great. It looks as though it won't, but it does stand up quite easily. Great pocket-sized device. The convenience of removable tank, removable coil, All you have to replace is the coils, and it's a great little device. Thanks for watching. I've been Sean for Vape Underground. See you next time. Bye.